And I got a super secret announcement for y'all. Yo, what is up, guys? DJ Ammunition here with a quick skin review, no pause. What is up, guys? I am so sorry. I know that on YouTube I have been completely slacking. Been crazy busy since the new year. I picked up an entertainment director job at Smoke. That's my downtown Friday and Sunday residency. So I've been crazy busy. I haven't even posted my last 3 wedding vlogs. It's been crazy, but you know what? I actually got hit up on Facebook by a follower on YouTube, and I will put your name right here. You actually asked me to show you the difference between like the magnetic skins from 12-inch skin, and I think you asked to see about the vinyl skin. So I'm going to show you big shout out to 12-inch skins. Make sure you get a lot of your stuff from them, 12inchskins.com. I pretty much get a lot of vinyl from Digilog Design and 12-inch skins. But yeah, this is the Rane 70 skin. They did customize it for me a little bit. They added my logo. They added some red to it just because I normally rock white, red, and black on a lot of my setups. 12-inch skins right there. This is a magnetic skin, so it's perfect for mixers that do have a magnetic top. I think they have it for the S9, but I know the S9 does have top half is metal and the bottom half is plastic. So it's really easy. All you do is you pop off these 3 faders and that little 4th one right there for the Q deck 1 and 2, and you just pretty much just pop it on. And actually I had it off because at Smoke there's a lot of dust. It is a downtown outside venue. So let me show you a quick trick, and this is shout out to DJ Vic. He actually gave me the idea. I mean, I know it's super simple and easy to think of, but when you have a lot of dust on your equipment, use this bad boy right here. Just a regular paintbrush with some soft bristles so you won't scratch any of the hardware, and just kind of get that dust off of the like the buttons, all that good stuff. The cool thing about this magnetic skin though is it actually attracted most of the dirt on top of it. So I just popped it off, wiped it down, and then just pop it right back on. Look at this, it just fits right on. Boom. Just kind of fit it a little bit in between the buttons, the Q buttons. You gotta just kind of like level it out a little bit, make sure it looks good, and pretty much good to go. Look at that. Just pop back on the knobs and you'll be good. Now, one thing I will tell you is 12-inch skins actually gives you a full wrap. You can buy, I think, just the faceplate, but they'll give you a full wrap. So you can turn this white, you can turn this white, and you can turn this white. But the only thing that I want to tell you, sorry, my little one's going a little wild back there. The only thing I will tell you that is when you put it in cases, sometimes the cases are a little tight. So I would highly recommend just like leaving the sides and the backing off, because I can fix this, but it's normally a way tighter fit. I would leave them off because when you actually put them in the case, they'll fold, and if this folds, you're not gonna get it back to flat. So just keep that in mind. I do want to show you though, I did actually get a Technics 1200 skin. This is an actual peel and stick, so it's not magnetic. I just put this bad boy in here, so I don't really want to mess around with it too much, but super simple to put on. And I'm actually I have really bad luck with applying vinyl and stickers, like it folds, bubbles. But no, this is not vinyl. This is actually the same type of material that magnetic skin is made out of. It's just not magnetic, because I believe these are wooden cabinets on the Technics. So yeah, it was super simple. You pretty much just like you fit it on, and then you peel the backing off of it, then you cut it like here, here, and here. Then you take off the backing, and then you just lay the sticker down, and then you do the same thing for the bottom. Then you just lace up your buttons, and then you actually can. This is also part of it too. Comes in the package with 12-inch skins, and it's solid. I love this material because it's gonna be super easy to clean. You just wipe it down with like a wipey, and then just dry it off, and it's good to go. This actually is my very first turntable. This I got vinyl wrapped, so this is actual vinyl wrapping. This doesn't have, he painted that white. He added ammunition to the tone arm. It's kind of hard to see, but it actually has my old school logo right here on the platter. He painted the platter white as well. There's also an orbit kit, and I don't have anything to plug it in right now, but it actually lights up. I could probably show you a video. But yeah, this is my old logo right here. And yeah, this actually has some sentimental value. But this is vinyl wrap. So this, I would have to peel off, and I'm gonna tell you right now, if you have anywhere out there that you'll purchase vinyl wrap, I'd highly recommend against it, because it's gonna be on there. Once you take that vinyl wrap off, unless you got some glue gun and some patience and plenty of cuss words in your vocabulary, you're gonna stay in your cabinet, your wooden cabinet on these Techniques. And you don't want to do that because they're vintage. But yeah, I mean, I apologize again. I've been slacking on YouTube. I will post some content. I do gotta finish editing up these vlogs for the weddings that I did, the last 3 weddings. I will post them up. If y'all want me to review anything else, please let me know. Hit me up, follow Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. Oh, and I got a super secret announcement for y'all. Rane is going to announce a Rane motorized controller. You heard it here. It's called the Rane 1. It'll actually be announced next week. And you heard it here from this channel. So hit me up. Let's continue to rock the party. Make sure you stay safe and healthy out there. And let's go!
Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Fat Man Scoop. Follow at DJ Ammunition on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Carry your ammunition with you.